Public nuisance means an act or failure to act which causes injury, danger, obstruction or annoyance to the general public or people living in a particular area. It is not against one person alone but affects the community at large. The idea is that every person has a right to use public places like roads, parks, water, air etc. without unreasonable interference. When someone disturbs this common right, it becomes a public nuisance. Under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023, public nuisance includes any act which causes common injury, danger or annoyance to the public or which must necessarily cause such harm. 2. Essential elements. To understand clearly, public nuisance has following elements. 1. There must be an act or illegal omission. 2. It must affect the public or a large number of people. 3. It must cause injury, danger, obstruction or annoyance. 4. It interferes with public rights, like using roads, clean air, peace. 3. Examples, simple understanding. Times blocking a public road by construction or dumping garbage. Times loud music at night disturbing the neighborhood. Times a factory releasing harmful smoke affecting many people. Times keeping dangerous animals in public places. 4. Provisions for prevention of public nuisance. The law mainly focuses on prevention through the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023. A. Conditional order by magistrate. A district magistrate or subdivisional magistrate can pass an order requiring a person to times remove obstruction from public places. Times stop harmful trades or activities. Times remove dangerous structures. Times regulate pollution-causing activities. If the person does not follow the order, legal action can be taken. B. Immediate prevention in urgent cases. In urgent situations where there is danger to public health or safety, the magistrate can pass temporary orders immediately. These orders are preventive and do not require long procedures. Example, stopping a loudspeaker late at night or halting a dangerous construction. C. Injunction, restraint orders. Courts or magistrates can issue orders to stop the continuation or repetition of nuisance. This ensures that the problem does not arise again. D. Police powers. Police have authority to times remove unlawful obstruction. Times prevent acts likely to cause nuisance. Times maintain public order and safety. E. Punishment. Under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023, a person causing public nuisance can be punished with fine or other penalties depending on the seriousness. 5. Case study, simple explanation. Ratlam Municipality Case, India. In a famous case, residents of a locality suffered due to open drains, bad smell and mosquitoes. The local authority failed to take action. People approached the court. The court held that the municipality has a duty to remove public nuisance and protect public health. It ordered the authority to clean drains and improve sanitation. Meaning of the case. Times public nuisance can be caused even by government negligence. Times authorities are legally bound to prevent such nuisance. Times courts can force authorities to act for public welfare. 6. Conclusion. Public nuisance is a serious issue because it affects the whole society. Law provides both preventive and corrective measures. The main aim is not only to punish but to stop the nuisance at an early stage. Magistrates and police play an important role in protecting public rights and maintaining peace and safety.